This is what happens when you don't have the right tools. But this is the precision you get with the TSO upgraded rip fence with some of the added accessories. A lot of you liked my video about this fence upgrade for the DeWalt DWE7491RS table saw. So today, I'm going to show you the 3 must-have accessories that take this setup to the next level. So good, you'll wonder how you ever worked without them. From perfect cuts to flawless control, these tools will have your projects looking sharper than ever. Stick around because you're not going to want to miss this. If you haven't seen the original video where I talk about this fence, you can watch that right here. But just in case you don't click, here's the 60-second pitch on why this fence is so great. The TSO upgraded rip fence is specifically designed for the DeWalt DWE7491RS table saw. It's super easy to install and replaces your stock fence. It's also a little bit taller than the original fence. With the T-slots for mounting accessories, which I'll show you in a minute, and a nice straight aluminum profile, this thing transforms your saw into a highly functional machine. The stock fence is fine for basic cuts, but if you're doing precision work, you need something better. This fence locks in perfectly straight, stays true, and gives you the ability to add all kinds of add-ons, like the ones we're about to get into. I'd show you a comparison between this and the old one, but I literally threw it in the trash. Now you know why the fence is so amazing. Let's talk about accessories, because a great fence deserves even greater accessories. TSO was kind enough to send me these products to try out, but I'll tell you this. I've been very impressed with everything I've tried from TSO's website so far. I would gladly buy all of these products with my own money. So let's get into it. First up, this Sacrificial fence. No, it's not here to save the world. It's here to save your actual fence from getting chewed up. Let's take a closer look. This fence is perfect for close blade work like rabbit cuts, where the blade might graze the fence. Instead of messing up your shiny TSO fence, the Sacrificial fence takes the abuse. This is the one you get from TSO. It comes with all the mounting hardware and attaches super quickly. Once you wear that one out, you can also make your own out of a piece of MDF. Or, like this one I made out of super slippery UHMW plastic that reuses the TSO hardware. When using a Sacrificial fence, don't forget to recalibrate your rip scale to account for the added thickness. To do this, I usually make a test cut, measure it, and then set the scale to that value. Trust me, you don't want to skip this one. It's a simple addition that can save you from destroying your new fence. At the time of making this video, the price was $20.95. Next, we have the mini hedgehog featherboards. These little guys are the unsung heroes of precision cuts. If you've ever struggled to keep your material tight to the table, these are a cheap solution to your problem. They're just like the full-size hedgehog featherboard, only smaller. The big one is actually designed for the miter slots in your table, and these ones are designed for T-slots. One knob, that's it. Just turn it, lock it in place, and you've got a second set of hands holding your material steady. See how they keep the board pressed against the table? No shifting, no slipping, no surprises. And because they're so compact, they don't get in the way of larger pieces. Whether you're ripping thin strips or working with large sheet materials, these things are a lifesaver. If you notice, the little fingers are shaped in a way that allows you to push the material forward, but resists letting the material go backwards. This should help prevent material from kicking back at you if something goes wrong. But I don't feel like testing that theory right now. An added bonus, they're way less prickly than a real hedgehog. Ask me how I know. No, seriously, leave me a comment if you want to know how I know. If you're interested in these less prickly mini hedgehogs, the price right now is a not so prickly $28 for the pair, and I put a link down below. Last, but definitely not least, we've got the JessEm clear cut stock guides. These are like the bouncers of your table saw. They keep your material locked down and moving exactly where it's supposed to go. The secret sauce here is the angled rollers. They press your workpiece both down to the table and against the fence, which means no wandering, no kickback, and perfect cuts every time. Whether you're cutting a full sheet of plywood or ripping smaller pieces, these guides give you an insane amount of control. Plus, they're adjustable for different material thicknesses, so you can use them on practically any project. I think it's worth mentioning, these things just look really cool. Who doesn't want their table saw to feel like a high-tech cutting station? You're going to pay a little more for this level of awesome. At the time of making this video, they're $119.99. but they are very high quality and will hold your workpiece both against the table and against the fence. Like always, I put a link down below. So there you have it. 3 game-changing accessories for your TSO upgraded rip fence. The Sacrificial fence, the mini hedgehog featherboards, and the JessEm stock guides. Together, they make your saw safer, your cuts cleaner, and your projects more precise. If you want to buy any of this stuff, be sure to use my links as they help support my channel. If you're serious about woodworking or just tired of fighting your table saw, these are the upgrades you need. Hit that like button, subscribe to How I Do Things DIY, and let me know in the comments which one of these you're going to pick up first. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy building.